our mobile merchandise rail on wheels. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 39.5 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height of 6 3/4 inches with wheels. Minus the wheels, we have 1.5 inches. And for the height of the caster wheels, we have 4 inches. The distance between each individual rail, we have 11.5 inches by 26 3/4 inches in depth. Included are 6 corner brackets, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, and 1 each located on the left and right side, along with each individual holding brace to hold each individual rail that's cut down. Each rail can be cut down to size, whether if it's the length or the depth. We have our ice cream dipping cabinets on top of a rail. Coming below, we have our brackets holding the freezer, along with the corner braces on each end. Again, we have our bracket holding the chest freezer in the front and back, along with the corner brackets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.